1、2、3、1、2、3、4. Hello everyone, Zixon here from masterkungfu.com. In this video, I'm going to show you Kung Fu stretching exercise. So first, we need to warm up to prevent injuries. So we use running as warm up. We still after running. Oh yeah. Okay guys, now let us start our stretching exercise. So you have to make sure your body is very warm, and if you're sweating, that means very good. The warmer, the easier to stretch. So with the Kung Fu stretching, there are so many different kind of stretching exercise out there. But in this video, I'm going to show you two fundamental stretches of Kung Fu and Wushu, so which are front stretch and side stretch, 正压腿 and 侧压腿. Front stretch means if your toes pointing at front, you're stretching with your right leg. Your left leg toes pointing at front, that's called front stretch. Side stretch means toes pointing at sideways, and that's called side stretch. Okay, so when you're stretching, you can apply three techniques, which are pull, press, and hold. 拉、压、控. So pull means, for example, you're doing front stretch. Pull means you hook your foot, relax your hamstring. Pull means pull your upper body towards your foot, keep your leg straight. Press means down, press down. Okay, and you will feel your hamstring like a rubber band. Pull, press, is stretching, and hold. So when you're stretching, you will realize, for example, you can reach your knee. For example, you can reach your knee. That means you can hold there. So the longer you're gonna hold there, the more you're gonna improve. Okay. So now let us start with front stretch first. 正压腿. So I start with my right leg first. So if you're stretching at home, you can put your leg on the sofa or something that is stable. So today I'm going to stretch on the chair. So even though you can reach your knee, you don't just go straight forward to reach your knee. You give some stretches first to check you're ready, and then you can reach your knee. Level 1 is trying to reach your knee, level 2 and level 3. Okay, so I stretch first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now I'm just try to reach my toes. You can try to reach your knee or here, depending on you. So we stretch 6 times first, and we use first two techniques, pull, press, and then we hold it for 6 seconds. So pull and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can do more with the front stretch. Now I change to the side stretch. So give a check first. Check. Relax your hamstring. Relax. So 1, you reach your knee, or here, depends on you. 2, 3, 4, One more time. 1、2、3、4、5。So not comfortable, sorry. 6 hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax this leg. And now we're gonna stretch with your left leg. And chin to the outside so you can see. Front stretch first. Front, toes pointing in front. So give a check first. Now, gonna stretch 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. All right. Now we change to the side stretch. Just trying to stretch to the level you feel comfortable. Okay. For example, as a beginner, you cannot even reach your knee yet. Do not try to reach further. Okay. Try to reach your knee first, and gradually you can reach further and further. Okay. So now side stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, another time. 1、2、3、4、5、6. Let's hold for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. Now let us do some splits together. Come here. So with the split, you can use. So with the split, you can apply those 3 techniques as well: pull, press, and hold, La Ya Kung. So those 3 techniques actually can apply to all different kind of stretching exercise. Okay. So now we start with our left leg up front. For beginners, if you're quite high, that's okay. It's like this high, right? Just to the degree you're okay with. All right. Don't push yourself too much and get hurt. Okay. So now we give a try. You can use the first 2 techniques: pull, press. I just do the normal split stretching. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. And for some of you, you already can do splits. You can try to reach your toes. Hold it back from here. And hold like this. So this is called front split stretch. Side way is the same. Rock. Hold press first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hold it. Let's try with the other side. We start from higher first. And gradually you improve. Start from higher. Gradually you improve, getting lower and lower. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Now next one is a Sanda split. Sanda split, we're gonna use our hands first. If you cross the high leg like this, give a stretch, and gradually you improve. You're getting lower. You use the elbows like this, and then you can try let the one arm reach forward, and the other arm. Sanda split. You can hold like this, or body straight up, or open your wings. And we're standing up slowly. Now we relax your hips. Okay, we already done the stretches. If next day your body quite sore, that's totally normal because we done the stretches today. You can give a gently massage with your leg or hamstring, or use the warm shower massage your muscles are sore. Okay, you will feel comfortable. And just remember, when you're stretching to the degree you're good with, you're okay with. Okay, don't push yourself too much. Gradually you will improve for the better. Okay, so now we can relax your legs. Give it gently, shaking your body, snap your legs, hips as well. We're fully stretched. Okay, so now in the next video we are going to learn all of the fundamental kicks of Kung Fu and Wushu. So if you're not watching from our website, you can click the link here or the link down below. And if you're already watching from our website, we'll see you in the next video. And if you got any questions about this training video, please leave your comment down below. Happy training, happy life.